Okay, I found some Elmo stuff in the party book, and I'm going to see if Chloe can recognize it. Chloe! Come here. Come here. Come here. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? And who's this? No, that's Cookie Monster. What is he saying? Hmm? And who else is that? Who's this? Who's that? La 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 la. And who is that? Cookie Monster. What is he saying? C is for Cookie. Say bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.